Hey everyone, my name is Gordon Mbatay from BSID Math, and today's video I am sharing my biggest takeaway from our Gestalt Psychology topics in PED 102. So, while we cover a lot of ideas like perception, problem solving, and how our minds organize information, what stuck with me most is the core principles, which is the whole is greater than the sum of its part. So I used to think pre-process things by breaking them down into small pieces. So like seeing a tree as a branches, trunk, and leaves separately. But Gestalt Gestalt shows us our brains automatically group elements into whole patterns. So we see a tree ju- we see a tree, not just its part. We also look at concepts like proximity, which is ang proximity is things close together feel connected. And similarity, we group like items, and closure, we fill in gaps to make sense of shapes. So, and there's a lot of one principles. So, why is significant? So, it changed how I look at literally everything. When I'm looking at a poster, watching a movie, or even organize my desk, I now notice how my mind is actively putting pieces together to create meaning. So, for my plan to work in, so this is huge because in designing a whole website or creating a lesson plan, I need to think about how people will perceive the whole the whole, not just individual buttons or words. So it also helps me understand why I'm sometimes misinterpret things. So my brain is trying to make sense of incomplete info by filling in gaps. So on a personal level, it made me realize how we often judge situation or people based on how we organized the details we see, reminding me to step back and look at the whole picture before forming conclusion. So, from now on, I'll apply this in my work and daily life. Whether I'm solving a problem at school, planning a project, or even having a conversation, I'll make sure to consider the whole context instead of fixating on small details. So, in Gestalt psychology, didn't just teach me about how we see the world. It taught me how to think about how we see the world, and that's a perspective I always keep in mind. So, that's all, and thanks for watching. Bye bye!